Hey Pisces, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Alright. Spirit, can you please give me 3 cards for Pisces? Alright, here we go. So, you guys have let your friends help you, ask for and accept support from others. Wedding. This situation involves marriage. And then you have getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Okay. So, Pisces, I feel like this is split. For some of you guys, this is somebody from your past. To be honest. This is somebody from your past. I do feel like this person that you are dealing with is someone that you're meant to marry, which is why it's asking you to let your friends help you. And they're asking you guys to get to know each other, you know. So reveal, you know, some of the deepest, darkest secrets, fears, things that you have to really get to really know that person. But I will be honest with you, for a lot of you guys, there's somebody new coming in. I know I said it's a little split, but it's more like a, yeah, 75-25 type of situation. Yeah, because I feel like for a lot of you guys, there's somebody new coming in. And this person that's coming in, this is the one who you will end up marrying. And they're asking you, you know, still open yourselves up, get to know this person. And this is why the let your friends help you card came out, because it's like your friends have been noticing, okay, in your past relationships, you know, you have been done wrong. And so maybe you guys are like, hey, you know, let me tell you about this person I just met, or, you know, whatever. And, you know, you're just getting feedback, so they're helping you out. So anyway, let's see what's going on, Pisces. All right, so tell me about Pisces. General reading. Okay, so bottom of the deck, you guys have the 5 of Swords. So this is telling me that somebody is stuck in their head. There's a lot of like mental conflict going on. Maybe because you guys feel like something was lost. Alright, 7 of Cups. So some of you guys don't really like the options that you have right now. Clarify the 7 of Cups, please. Y'all not to say this every time. It's a general reading, so just take, you know, take the reading if it fits your situation, and it could go vice versa. So anyway, like I was saying, so some of you guys basically don't like the options that you have right now. If you guys are dealing with someone, or you were dealing with someone, maybe you're over that person because this person has other options, or there's things about this individual that you just don't care for, you know, and you're looking at them like, you know what, you no longer make me happy. You know, maybe this person is draining some of you guys financially. Maybe they just don't have their finances together, but you're over it, picking it up already. You don't see it going anywhere. I do feel like this person wants to come back and turn things around. Somebody wants to fix things. It's definitely somebody from your past. I told y'all, some of y'all are dealing with somebody from your past, so let's just see how this plays out. The devil in reverse. Okay, so somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. If not, this person, you had to walk away from this person because they were just toxic as hell, you know, and y'all cut off communication. Or, you know, communication is just coming in slow because you literally had to walk away from this person. This wasn't a good individual. But I'm picking up for somebody. Yeah, this person was horrible. You made the right decision walking away. I will just say that. Alright, what else do you have? Alright, back and forth energy. Let's see. Yeah, oh, okay. So, I feel like when it comes to some of you guys who are dealing with someone from the past, it's like 1 minute, you're ready to move on. You learned your lesson. You're like, you know what, I deserve better. Let's keep it pushing. But on the flip side, you're still thinking about this individual. And some of you guys really do, you're holding on. Let's see. That's not for everybody, but it's for somebody out here. Clarify the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. I feel like somebody didn't learn something. It's like you did, but you didn't. That makes sense. Okay, Nine of Pentacles. Somebody's trying to have a peace of mind here. About what? Temperance. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but I feel like somebody's trying to balance out the situation. Oh, okay, you're just gonna fly. Hold on, y'all. I'm so sorry. This is... Somebody's trying to have a peace of mind. Somebody's trying to balance out the situation. I do feel like whoever messed up, they want to come and give you an offer, but you can't take them seriously. You're not happy with this person. This person was sneaky. You feel like this person needs to clean up their act if they really do want to be with you. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but you're no longer putting the effort and the energy into this situation, and you're focusing on yourself. Clarify the Knight of Cups. Yep, okay. This person could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I do feel like they're getting ready to take the lead here, and they want to come back towards you to apologize, but they don't have the confidence to do so, because this person is like, one minute they want to take the lead to come and do so, the next minute they're kind of hanging back. But I feel like this person was just being a player, and that's why they want to come back towards you to apologize for their actions. But at the end of the day, it's like, can you really trust them? Because this is toxic for some of y'all. Okay. Tell me about the King of Wands here for Pisces. What do you want them to know? Oh my gosh, come on now. Okay. Alright, so somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But there's an imbalance here between you and this individual, and you know it. You know, I feel like they know it too, but somebody's still trying to hold on because they really do want a commitment. They see a commitment with this person, they see marriage with this person. Yeah, somebody wants a new beginning here. But Pisces, I feel like with the Ten of Wands here, this is you. You know that when you dealt with this person, you were the one putting in all the work. This person didn't do anything at all. Like, and this is why you originally dropped them. So it's like, you know, here they come trying to give you this offer, but like I said before, can you trust it? Look at that. They want to give you a victory here. They want a victory with you. Look at that. They want a new opportunity. For some of you guys, it could be that this person was obligated to do, you know, other things for other people. They were playing around, whatever your situation is. And now maybe they're realizing, okay, this person walked away from me. You know, I need to clean up what I'm doing. I need to drop those behaviors, those people, so that way I can have the commitment with this person. I can start a new beginning. We'll have a victory. We can travel. We can do all these things. But I don't know. Something is still, I'm kind of side-eyeing this person still. I mean, everybody can change, but I don't know why. I don't know who I'm picking up on, but I'm side-eyeing somebody here. Somebody definitely, like I said, they want a new opportunity with you. They could be trying to get you to come and travel with them. Maybe they just want to express to you that they're sorry and they're done playing games. Because communication is definitely opening up here. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but somebody's trying to have hope that the situation will play out in their favor. Look at that. But I feel like somebody feels like, okay, they're not going to have what it is that they're hoping and wishing for. Yeah. It's the person that messed up. They're back and forth. This person moves very slow to do anything, to make decisions. And it's like they want to talk to you, but they're not. And it's due to the fact that they feel like things are not improving. And it could be financially wise, too. Yeah. Somebody's definitely worried about their finances here. But somebody's trying to weigh up their options, trying to figure out what to do. Lord, yeah. Somebody right now is putting in the work to fix their finances here. But I do feel like the person that messed up, they want to come back and put in the hard work to fix the relationship. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries here. But yeah, this person wants to bring stability into the situation. But somebody's using their intuition now. Alright, Justice, Knight of Swords, Queen of Wands. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I feel like somebody here has been looking for the truth, because you guys have been using your intuition. And you've been feeling like, okay, something's not right. So you guys made that judgment call to walk away from this individual because something just wasn't sitting right. And I do feel like now they're trying to rush back in to tell you, you know, what it is that they want, how they truly feel. And it's like you guys are trying to be positive about it, but you're up late at night, you're worried because this person has let you out in the cold before. But they're saying you're coming out of that energy here and you're going to speak up and tell this person how you really feel. You guys are cutting them off. Oh my God, yeah, you guys are cutting them off. I mean, you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. I have a Leo here that somebody could be dealing with, but honestly, I told you I was side-eyeing this person because something just, you know, it sounds good, but something ain't right. For some of y'all, I do feel like there's a percentage of y'all, like this person may have learned their lesson, so now they want to put in the work, and you guys gonna, you know, wait to see if they're consistent. But for others of you, y'all, this person is full of it, and they're gonna tell you anything just to come back, is what I'm seeing here. And that's why for a lot of you, you're gonna cut this person off, and guess what, you have the strength to do it at this point, and you're not gonna worry about it. It's like when you cut this person off, you're done, you're over it, you're like, bye. Because at the end of the day, y'all want a happy home. You deserve to have this happy home life with someone. And you're realizing that this person is playing and they're not going to give you that life that you want. So y'all made a decision. You want things to improve in your life, and so guess what? You removed yourself from this third-party situation. You're out of it. You know, or it could be this person that messed up. Like I said, because for some of y'all, somebody did change and they're trying to come back in. They want things to improve, so they ended this third-party situation. They got out of it because they want to be with you, but they're having a hard time right now, I feel like, trying to approach you. Somebody's definitely dealing with an earth sign here, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But this person was very childish, very immature. Could be somebody that was younger than you. Yeah, there was some type of like toxic energy here. Somebody was codependent to something, whether it's money or some type of an addiction, and that's why you had to break away from this individual. But here they come, wanting to give you their cup of love here. But I feel like, all right, so y'all could be definitely dealing with another water sign, a Pisces like yourself, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But at this point, you're definitely sad because I feel like you really do care about this person. You love this person, but you're not opening up and you're not expressing yourself anymore because this person kept stabbing you in the back. You know, it's like you kept giving them a chance, you know, to try to work things out, but they just kept disappointing you. And I feel like at this point, you guys are healing. And you're realizing you don't want to start with this person. You don't want to build anything with them. Look at that. It's another 3. That was definitely a third party here. Yeah, this person put you in a third-party situation. It's like you're realizing that. You're like, you know what? I don't want to build with you. I don't see anything improving with you. Yeah, the truth came out. And you guys are coming out of that energy of being sad. You're like, you know what? I deserve better. You made a decision. And like I said, you're coming out of worrying about it. You don't care. You're like, you know what? No, goodbye. Yeah, you realize there was no balance with this person. I do feel like this person's trying to come back in. They want to say something to you, but they're holding back what it is that they want to say. I feel like they're taking it day by day. They're getting stronger about, like, wanting to approach you to fix things. You know, they're thinking about how loyal you were to them, how good you were to them, and they want it back. But, yeah, you guys are like, I don't want to move forward with you. Goodbye. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.